Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and apply for Halifax Debit Card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in halifax.co.uk. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply for Halifax Debit Card. Now I'll be switching the screen to the instructions now. So here we have, as you can see, how you can actually go and do it step by step. So first of all, you need to go and select your account. You can of course go and apply now. So we have current accounts, which we have, and click on apply now. Then complete a form where you need to go and put in your details, form of personal details, contact information, and financial details. Step 3 is identification. Verify your ID online. So you'll need to go and put in your ID or password online so you can do it. New customers, select an account. So basically you have to go and of course if you're a new customer, select the account, then submit the request. That is step 4. And of course receive the card. So the debit card will be received. I'm just gonna go and get my camera off for this last step. So you can see receive the card, and as you can see it will be in 3 to 5 working days delivery. So you will get it in that much, which is pretty cool. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.